What's up, guys? Happy New Year. Skylar here from Jon-Don. Wanted to take a quick second and just talk about our rental process. A lot of contractors and customers have been asking, and there's a lot of other companies that are doing rental programs, and so I just wanted to kind of highlight a little bit what's different with the Jon-Don process and how we go about things. One thing you'll notice, I'm on the job site. I actually delivered the equipment here this morning. That's something that's really important to me, is making sure that everything is set up properly, making sure that I have an opportunity to evaluate the job site to make sure that I'm not getting my customer in over their head. It also gives me an opportunity to go through the full process. So I actually turn this into a training opportunity. Not every customer needs that, but what we're finding is that we're getting guys that are wanting to make that transition to larger equipment. They're taking on projects that are a little bit bigger scope than they're used to, and so one of the advantages is that the Jon-Don reps are all industry experts. We've been doing this. I've personally been doing this for about 11 years, and so it gives me a chance to come on site and spend time with the customer and make sure that our sequences and processes are where they need to be. So we're going to jump inside and we're going to show you what we got going on. All right, so we're in this project up in Bellingham, Washington. This particular customer is not new to polishing. He's polished for about 5 years. The thing that he was looking for was larger equipment that was a little more equipped for this size of project. What we've done, we set up this morning. We've run through a series of 30 metals, 60 metals. We ran our borite transitions. What I like to do is make sure that we can get to our scratch-free finish and we can continue our process so that I don't get phone calls once the job's started because the customer just came and picked up equipment. We just threw a bunch of tooling at them and we didn't guide them through the process. So that's really what's important, is guiding our customers through the process so that they have a successful rental experience and the money that they spend on the rental isn't wasted with a bunch of troubleshooting and things like that. See, we're actually going through and we're actually going to do a full panel, make sure our bond is right, make sure our cut's right, make sure our sequencing is right. You'll see over here we have all our expected tooling laid out. This is the process that I feel is going to work, but like with anything, we want to double check and make sure that it's in fact going to be the tooling that's going to work successfully for this project. So so we finished our typical rental process. Not every rental process is the same. Not every customer needs the hands-on training, delivery, things like that. But it is nice to have access to that. So just to recap, we got set up today. We went through our entire process, made sure everything was going to work successfully. Customers very comfortable, very satisfied with how everything is set up. They have me as a resource if anything goes not to plan. They have somebody to call. They have a resource that they can count on, and we just make it happen, whatever it takes.